Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Tanzina. Today I am making a super delicious homemade mango treat. Sweet, tangy and slightly spicy. And the best part, you only need a few simple ingredients to make this at home. So if you love mango recipes, you definitely need to try this one. So let's make the recipe. First I am taking 4 raw mangoes. Now I will peel the mango skin completely. Friends, for the best flavor, try to use fresh raw mangoes for this recipe and cut them into small pieces. Smaller pieces cook much faster and become easier to mash later. The fresh tangy mango smell already feels so refreshing. Now I am washing the mango pieces properly with water. This helps keep everything nice and clean before cooking. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make more delicious recipes. Now in a pan I am taking some water and adding all the mango pieces. Now I will let them boil slowly until soft. After a few minutes the mango pieces become soft and easy to mash. Now I will mash everything really well. Mash properly so the final texture becomes smooth and nice. Now comes the best part. I am adding 3/4 cup of sugar. Now I am going to mix it really well. Now I am adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli flakes and half teaspoon of chaat masala. This sweet, tangy and spicy combination tastes absolutely amazing. Now I will mix everything really well and cook it on low-medium flame. Keep mixing continuously, otherwise the mixture can stick to the pan very quickly. Slowly you will notice the mixture becoming thick, glossy and sticky. And the smell at this stage is just amazing. Friends, you can see when I stir the mixture into a spatula like this and it starts separating into two parts for a few seconds. That means the mixture is perfectly cooked. Now I am brushing a little oil onto a plate. This helps the mango mixture come off easily later. Now I will pour the mixture onto the plate and spread it evenly while it's still warm. Now let it cool down completely. And once it cools, the texture becomes perfectly delicious. And yes, the homemade mango treat is finally ready. Sweet, tangy and spicy. Do try this at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you in the next delicious recipe.